How to fix the Messenger video call not showing or Messenger incoming call not showing on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this issue, it usually comes down to notifications, permissions, background settings, or network conditions. Here are some ways to fix this. First and foremost, you need to check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the calls start coming through. Second thing is allow messenger notification. For this, go to your device settings and search for notifications. Now, on the apps, select on messenger. First thing first, you need to allow notifications and toggle it on. Likewise, make sure the sounds and badges has been toggled on as well. And also make sure that lock screen, notification center and banners are enabled. You just have to tap on it to enable them. After that, go back to the previous page. This is to enable the background app refresh. For this, you have to tap on settings and then on general. Now scroll down to find background app refresh. Now make sure you have toggled on the option for Messenger. This will ensure that the calls can ring even if Messenger is not open. You also have to check for the Messenger's in-app settings. Tap on your profile icon, select on notification and sounds and make sure they are turned on. Also make sure that do not disturb or DND has been toggled off. Another thing is to allow the camera and microphone permissions. For this, again head over to your device settings, go to privacy and security. Once you tap on privacy and security, search for the option of camera and turn on the option for messenger. Do the same step for the microphone as well. The option should be turned on for messenger. This ensures video calls can start without error. After this, if you sign out once and sign in back again, your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.